Well, I just got finished making an omelet in there, so I might as well do the mashed potato bit. So, mashed potatoes left over, unless they're very, very soft, will be hard like this. And then you can break up the pieces like so. Or you can form them into little patties if they're soft and put them in a skillet. So when I saw them like this, I go, wow, these might come out like little pieces of home fries. I mean hash brown potatoes. Well, these are my leftover potatoes from my sage mashed potato recipe. And that looks pretty good. So we'll just throw that in there. Get the flame going higher. And watch as the potatoes will certainly brown. And I think it's going to be really cool looking. Now if you noticed, it's been a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to move them a little, see what they're doing. If you notice, I didn't have a lot of oil in there. Well, it's a non-stick. Oh, that's good looking. It's a shame I already ate my omelet because I would have put this right next to it. Needed a little help, so we'll get this wooden spoon. Very nice. And if you want them crunchy like I do, you just leave them there a little longer. There's a fairly high flame. So I'm going to keep on cooking this until I get more color, and then it will be done. What a great way to save the mashed potatoes for breakfast, or for, mainly for breakfast like this. Or you just reheat the mashed potatoes that you saved. Most likely you'd have to put a little milk or cream with it, because as you saw how hard they get overnight, like many items do. That's it, all done. Have it for breakfast, snack, whatever. Enjoy.